Chapter 9. Articles. Consider these sentences. We went for a picnic beside a lake. A lake, any lake. We went for a picnic beside the lake famous for its migratory birds. The lake, specific lake famous for its migratory birds. The money has kept in an envelope, any envelope. She gave me the envelope which contained my salary check. The envelope, specific envelope containing salary check. Definition. The words a or and the are called articles. They indicate and refer to nouns and come before them. Always remember, articles belong to a group of words called determiners. Kinds of article. Articles are of two kinds. First, indefinite article a or an. Second, definite article the. Indefinite article. The article a or an is a weakened form of one and is called indefinite because it does not refer to any particular person or thing. I saw a lady walking in the park. Any lady, not definite. An owl hooting loudly at night. An owl, not definite. Definite article. The article the is a weakened form of that. It is called definite because it is used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. The principal gave a short speech to the students. The principal of the school, the students of the school. The sun rises in the east. Sun, a particular object. East, a particular direction. Use of the indefinite articles. A, article a or an is used before singular countable nouns as a mahout rode an elephant. An alligator attacked a boatman. B, first, article a is used before the words beginning with a consonant sound as a dog, a computer, a pen, a house, a boy, a fan, a file, a ear. Second, words which begin with YU sounds as a U, a university, a European, a uniform, a unit, a union, a eulogy, a utility. Third, words which begin with W sounds as a 1 rupees coin, a one-legged man. C, first, article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound as an ox, an ibex, an armadillo, an owl, an elephant, an umbrella, an inkpot, an army, an armchair, an idiot. Second, article an is used before abbreviations that begins with a consonant but have a vowel sound as an LLB, an NGO, an MP. Third, article an is used before a words beginning with a silent H as an hour, an honor, an heir. Use of the definite article. The definite article the is used first when we talk about the particular person or thing or one already referred to as let's go to the library. The library of which the speaker is a member. Second, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class as the dog is a faithful animal. All dogs are faithful. Third, before some proper names as A, rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna. B, oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Third, canals, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal. D, desert, the Sahara, the Thar Desert. E, groups of island, the West Indies, the Philippines. F, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps. Fourth, before the names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom as the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom. Fifth, before names of certain books as the Bible, the Ramayana. Sixth, before names of things unique of their kind as the sun, the sea. Seventh, with superlatives as the best exhibition, the tallest building. Eighth, with ordinals as the first man, the sixth chapter. Ninth, before the names of musical instruments as she can play the piano. 10th, before the name of an adjective when the noun is understood as the meek shall overcome the mighty. Omission of the article. The article is omitted before first proper nouns as A. Name of cities Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Agra, Jaipur. B. Names of countries India, Nepal, Pakistan, China, Sri Lanka. C. Name of people Nehru, Ashoka, Akbar, Gandhi. D. Names of individual mountains Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest. E. Names of streets Mahatma Gandhi Road, Park Street. F. Names of the days of the week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. G. Names of the months of the year January, February, March, April. Second, uncountable nouns used in a general sense. Gold is a precious metal. Third, plural countable nouns used in a general sense. Children like sweets. Fourth, languages. We are studying French. Fifth, names of meals. Dinner is ready. Sixth, names of relations. Father, mother, etc. Always remember, reputation of the article. If you say, I have a black and white shirt, means you have a shirt which is partly black and partly white. But if you say, I have a black and a white shirt, means you have two different